The US dollar is higher in trading here today, and so is the dollar versus Canada. It's trading near the highest level as we start the US/North American session, and looking toward key resistance above. I'll go through the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart, I'm going to put a box around what the price action has been doing over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 or so trading weeks. The price has been within this area between 1.3720 up to 1.3923, about 200 pips of trading range over that time period, which isn't a lot, folks. And as you can see, the ups and downs took the price at its highest point to the 38.2% retracement. That's this point right here. Oops, if I can get it on the arrow here. This point right here at 1.3923. That's how the move down from the March high to the low price that we saw here in June. The inability to get above that level pushed the price lower, and the subsequent high came in below that level. That high right here just 2 weeks ago came against a swing area through here, which then became a support through here and resistance again through here before moving to the downside. We did move above it here on the run to the 38.2% retracement, but then reestablish resistance at the 138.91 to 139.04. That is one of the next key targets as we trade higher and trade near the highs for today's trading. We're also currently testing this high price going back to the end of July. We're at the 138.78, so 138.78, 138.91 to 139.04, and then 139.235. We know that if the price can't get above the 38.2% retracement of a trend type move, then the buyers aren't really taking full control. So getting above that level is going to be one of the key targets in trading, not only today but going forward for this currency pair. If the buyers are taking control, if we do get above that level, we'll start to look toward the 200-day moving average. Now, what could go wrong? Well, of course, we could see resistance right here at 138.78. That could force the price back down toward once we started, or from where we started in trading earlier today. That level came, or maybe even yesterday, near the low of this swing area here, which is again defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time and trade. Use that level as both a support and resistance over time. You can see the number of different times that the price came within that area or up to that level and either found support or resistance against it, including through here, broke below it here, and in trading last week came up to that level right through here, and even trading yesterday we came up toward that high and low and found support. Buyers push the price to the upside. So add the two moving averages, 100 and 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, and you have a pretty good support down here near the 138.12 level for the dollar versus Canada. So buyers are trying to take control, and the keys targets loom ahead. Testing the first one as we speak. If we can get through this level, then it opens the door for the further targets up on the upside. We'll see if that can be done. My name is Greg Mikulowski with a technical look at the dollar versus Canada. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.